that I see? Water park, and it's empty. Hasn't opened yet. Oh boy. And now, fuck, they almost tore up this shit. This was El Toro Naval Base. Where the big orange floats in the sky. And a brand new water park, I see. Over here, that's the old El Toro Naval Base. What's left of it. Beyond this dirt, this looks like compost. Yes, I believe there's a compost company over here. But those hangars over there, slash buildings, El Toro. There used to be nothing but fields here. I can't resist flying that. It's a fucking water park, and it's not open yet. What would you do? Tell me. Would you not? Wow. Someone's been busy. It's beautiful back there. I can't wait to see the video. I flew the baby drib, and I got the fucking Thumb Cam Pro on there. I hope that came out. I'm gonna have to fly it with my GoPro.